Hey everyone, this video shows you how JIRA Worklogs can be integrated with the time tracker to any object that you have configured within Salesforce. And this is great for integration and reporting, and I'll show you how this is possible. In this particular video, I'll show you how the JIRA Worklogs are brought in and integrated in with the Salesforce case. And this is the most common usage that we have seen. So that's what I'm showing you here. So if you look at this, this is a list of all the time details that we have within Salesforce. This is how all of the time records, time entries get recorded inside Salesforce. And this is a list of all of the cases that I've been working with recently. So my Salesforce administrator has done some configuration, and that allows some of the cases in Salesforce to get pushed into JIRA as issues, and for work logs in JIRA to be brought back into Salesforce as time entries. And I'll show you how this works. So I'm going to switch over to my JIRA board, and this is where we are. And this shows me a list of the issues that are here. So let's pick one here, right? I'm going to open this. You'll see that this is related to a Salesforce case ID here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in some time. So let's say I've spent 30 minutes on this. I'm going to add that in as a work log. And this is now added to this particular issue. This is the issue number to this issue within JIRA. So now I'll show you what happens if we switch back into Salesforce. So here we go. Let's look at the time details. I'm going to just refresh the screen really quickly. So you see that there's now a time detail entry. This is coming from JIRA, and it's related to that case number 1039. And it shows that I spent half an hour on that case. Now, if I go into the details of this, you'll see that it's got the case number here, and it's related to a particular issue within JIRA. So now if I go back to cases and we look at case number 1039 and look at the related entries, you'll see that this JIRA entry that I just did, the work log that I just did, has been brought in here. So what this does is that it gives you an overall picture of all the time different people have spent on it on different platforms. So whether it's a dev working in JIRA or whether it's a support agent that's worked on it within Salesforce, all of the time gets recorded against that case. And so you have a complete view and a full picture of all the time that's been spent on this case. So this is how the time tracking works. And this is how you're getting the work logs into Salesforce from JIRA. It does require a little bit of integration that needs to be done, both pushing the case to JIRA and for bringing the work logs from JIRA. And that's all defined in the documentation that we give you so that your administrators can set it up. So if you're interested in this and you want some more information, please do get in touch with us at info@pk4.tech, and we'll be happy to help you get set up. Thanks.